Actually, हमारी अधूरी कहानी, it was a fantastic journey, and I think the man behind the music is Mohit Suri. We call him Music Suri. Actually, here is there. A round of applause for him, please. And we have Vidya here. Vidya, thanks for coming. Please come here. And I'm grateful for Mukesh ji and Bhatt साहब. उन्होंने मौका दिया ये गाना कंपोज करने के लिए. And now I can remember जब मैंने स्टूडियो में रिकॉर्ड किया था गाना, मोहित सामने बैठा था और उनका आंखों में मैंने वो जो करने वाला है वो मैंने देखा था. और आफ्टर द पिक्चराइजेशन, उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम मैं मोहित के सामने गाना गा रहा हूँ, विद्या के सामने. जस्ट प्रे फॉर द म्यूजिक. थैंक यू. लव यू ऑल. And one more thing, we have Rashmi Virag, who has written the wonderful lyrics, is there. Love you, bro. Love you.
दूरियां फिर भी कम न हुई, एक अधूरी सी हमारी कहानी रही. आसमां को जमीन ये जरूरी नहीं, जा मिले जा मिले. इश्क सच्चा वही जिसको मिलती नहीं मंजिलें मंजिलें. रंग थे नूर था जब करीब तू था, एक जन्नत सा था ये जहां. वक्त की रेत पे कुछ मेरे नाम सा लिख के छोड़ गया, तू कहाँ. हमारी अधूरी कहानी, हमारी अधूरी कहानी, हमारी अधूरी कहानी, हमारी अधूरी कहानी.
Mithun has kind of changed the way music is perceived now. क्योंकि I hope there are no directors here, movie directors other than Mohit. Thank God. So earlier, directors would go to musicians and say कि हमें एक dance number चाहिए, एक item song चाहिए, which even I have heard so many times from composers. But Mithun created a rage, a madness with one of the films that Mohit directed called Ashiki 2, called Tum Hi Ho. I swear I have never spoken about a song week after week, week after week, week after week, so much. And then of course Mithun has done Banjara, he has done Tere Bin from Bas Ek Pal, he's been there for really long. But now Mithun is, I should tell you this, the singer who sung the song was supposed to come from Assam. From, I think he is flying from Guwahati. His name is Papan. And he was flying Air India, and that's where the story ends. He's not here today. I mean, I have nothing against Air India, but when you're flying Air India and you have an event the next day, you're making a mistake. So I think we are setting up. Jeeta, thank you so much. Thank you so much. The song is already doing really well, but the man with the magic touch on the keyboards, Mithun, and the song Humnava. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not clapping. The check is not going to get deposited tomorrow.
Officer's Choice Blue.
Mirchi Top 20
सुरीन के साथ पावर्ड बाय प्रोवो पावर डील्स
Officer's Choice Blue.
Mirchi Top 20
सुरीन के साथ पावर्ड बाय प्रोवो पावर डील्स
Gave us Beete Lame, the man who gave us Mausam, the man who's given us Tumiyo, the guy who's given us Banjara, and the guy who's given us Humnava. Put your hands together for Mithun Sharma!
Hi everybody, good evening. It will be really nice if I think यहाँ पे majority लोग musician हैं. Most of them are most of the people over here are musicians. And one thing is very important that we all need to understand is that music को silence नहीं मिले तो फिर music और शोर में कोई फर्क नहीं होता. So we need that silence. Can I request everyone to please be quiet? And before I get to my keyboard, I would like to compliment, I think, one of the finest composers of our time and the pride of our nation today, who's given us one of the most amazing title tracks ever, Jeet Ganguly. And I'm really privileged to take it further from there. And a lot of friends in the audience. So my song Humnava, I'd like to share a little bit about it. Mohit and me spend a lot of time talking about the song before किसी गाने पे आने से पहले, before getting the melody. और I think in the words of Mohit Suri, Humnava is a song of blossom. And I think let's hear it.
Put your hands together for Mohit Suri and Vidya Balan. Please.
दूरियां फिर भी कम ना हुई एक अधूरी सी हमारी कहानी रही आसमां को ज़मीन ये ज़रूरी नहीं जानी
Okay, he's told me something that is scaring me right now. But thank you so much for making it here. And thank you so much for attending your own music launch. What and where is Imran Hashmi?
Well, he missed the Air India flight also. What? He missed the Air India flight.
Hey, you're copying my joke. Vidya, thank you so much for coming. I'm going to put forward the first question to you. आप एक इतनी intense actor हैं, आपने इतनी बेहतरीन films की हैं, and then आपका जो ट्रेलर में जो इमोशन निकल के आ रहा है, it's almost as if the music is elevating every emotion. So what did you love most about the music when Mohit told you that ये सारे गाने आपकी फिल्म में आने वाले हैं?
Firstly, hi everyone. It's wonderful to see a full house. I think, you know, this music of Hamari Adhuri Kahani is tells the story of the film. I don't know how else to say it, and it all comes from the heart. When I heard Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track, I fell in love. I felt like this was a crutch I was going to hold on to help me perform the film. And every time I needed to get into the zone, it was Mohit's idea. He said, you just listen to the song. I guess every one of us has an Adhuri Kahani in our lives. So that's why you connect with the song, and that's why we're hoping you'll connect with the film.
So that's just the first song. Mohit made you listen to Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Then he's like, okay, we've come out with a second song. Then he makes you listen to Humnava. What is the emotion then? It just keeps getting better.
When I heard Humnawa, I actually saw Imran Hashmi perform it, and I understood why girls fall in love with Imran Hashmi. He gets the best songs. No, I'm not taking away any credit from him, but it's a beautiful song. And yeah, it comes at a very beautiful place in the film. It's a turning point in the film. I think when you watch the film, of course, you'll know. But Humnawa is an extremely... can you help me, Mohit? What is the word I'm looking for?
The only way to describe it, it's as not put as everything is, even though it's a song about falling in love, it's not, it doesn't just talk about that kind of romance which happens when you fall in love at first sight, but it's felt more, and you know it's going to live a lifetime and it's going to live forever. And that, I think that's the genius of what all my music directors have done in this film. For me, I worked in another direction with this film. I first went and spoke about the film and spent time with them, and as I kept shooting, each song kept coming by, and I would say they have co-directed this film for me. So thank you, all my music directors. Thank you very much.
Okay, Colleen, like some of us, like me, we go to the, do you know about the greasy hair?
About greasing, you can wash your hair every day, but you have to use the right shampoo and conditioner to wash it for a daily.
Is it okay to shampoo every day and do the conditioner?